There is no one like me. There is no one like me. Like me. Take a second look and you'll see.
Man, we pretty much amazing.
Treat it.
Yeah. Mind your manners. Murder Club, let's go. And all the people should be raising their glasses. Flow crazy, celebrating the madness. I never thought I would deliver no classics. Then I hooked up with them and they delivered no classics. I've been keeping it true. Hotel good, long as I can peep on the view. Like, damn, how high are we? You gotta gamble in this life, Charles Bar. I'm overprotected through the dopest of methods. Now my vocal perfected. This is audio breakfast, yes. So tell a hater here's a slammer. I know they hating on us, but mind your manners.
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. There is no one like me. Like me. You better reconsider. You will never do better. There is no one like me.
There's no one like me. See, this is etiquette right here, you know what I'm saying?
There is no one like me.
Mind your manners.
Macho man, Travis Savage, about to snap soon. Chitty Superfly, Snooker, Gorilla Zap. Triple Lindy off the top rope, snap your clavicle. Eat the fucking turnbuckle like George the animal. But no green tongues in here. Only green thumbs in here. So put the bubble clutch up in the air. For my fam who's no longer here. Angelo, Monique, Isaiah, rest in peace. I'ma hold you down till I'm dead, stankin' deceased. I'm flagrant, a vagrant, a beast.
What you call a room full of rappers?
A feast, mind you.
Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. There is no one like me.
Like me.
You better reconsider. You will never do better. There is no one like me.
There's no one like me. See, this is etiquette right here, you know what I'm saying?
There is no one like me.
Mind your manners. So say la la la, I arrive will lie. Black eyed I am, I surprise will lie. And I can't rely on another guy. I was caterpillar into a butterfly. I'm living in the moment, why won't you go and own it? And we don't got the spirits, at least we could corona it. For the sake, homie, I'll be sipping tight, cool. And you get the wrong number if I don't like you. Say I'm the man, tell me why I gotta lie to anybody, I'm the best, girl, let me advise you. Why? Because I'm feeling invincible. Junior high school, I had a crush on the principal. I guess I was turned on by the leadership. Now we got the game wrapped up on some Peter shit. So tell a hater here's a slammer. I know they hating on us, but mind your manners.